Top 5 ways to promote NFT collections. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can promote your NFT collection to make it a successful collection and to sell your NFTs. So let's get started. Today I will show you some of the platforms that will allow you to promote your NFT collection. Then I will show you some of the platforms that you can actually use in order to promote your NFT collection that you are going to be launching soon. So up first, we have a platform known as earlycoins.io. You might have heard about earlycoins. Earlycoins.io is a platform that allows you to promote your NFTs, and it is one of the platform where people come in order to check the new launches, and you can track new launches, and people launch their NFTs. They simply come to Earlycoins and you can promote it. When you come to Earlycoin, you will see the option of promote right here. When you click on promote, you will see right here we have two options. We have advertising and then we have support. So on advertising, what you will do is you will promote your NFT collection with your by advertising it. And there is another thing. What happens on Earlycoins is it's either one thing is that you will simply run an ad on this platform, and the other thing is you will simply list your NFT right here, NFT collection on Earlycoins. This is another way of promoting your NFT. So you list your Earlycoin, your collection on Earlycoin. So what is going to happen? Most of the people use Earlycoin to kind of get an idea that what are the new coming NFT collections, right? So you will simply go ahead and you will check, people will come and they will check different NFT collections and they will discover yours as well. So that is super easy to do. You can see right here many people are actually promoting their NFT collections, and they have listed their NFT collections right here on earlycoins.io, and it is an open platform. Don't think that it does not work for Solana NFTs. You can also list your Solana collection, and you can also list your Ethereum collection. So you can mint any of the collection that you have, and there are different voting app process as well. You get different votes, and the more votes you will have, the more you will stand above the line, right? You will be on the top if you have more votes from people, and your launch date is shown right here, your market cap, and then you have the price, and then you have the symbol on what blockchain you are actually minting your NFT collection on. Then we have the promoted assets, where you actually get you promote your NFT, and you simply do that from here. So if you're looking for a platform to promote your NFT collection, then you should definitely check out earlycoins.io. The next platform that you should check out in order to promote your NFT collection is nftcalendar.io. It is another platform that allows you to list your collection, and it is really famous. This is actually an important thing about NFT calendar, that this platform is actually really famous when it comes to keeping track of the new launches, and you can simply go ahead and promote your collection on NFT calendar. And many people actually go ahead and they promote their NFTs right here on NFT calendar. Like really big and verified collections can be found on NFT calendar. So that is really important that you have a good collection, and if you are launching, you will see that very famous collections that we check out on different platforms. For example, OpenSeas, they are promoted on NFT calendar. So this is actually a really good platform when it comes to promoting, because if you get your NFT right here among these collection, then you will actually get the audience that you want to, and you can simply go ahead and you will be able to promote your collection better. And because this platform has the audience, people actually come on NFT calendar. All of these people who are into NFTs, they know this platform. All of the different launches, they come here to track the launches of big collections, and they will be able to check out yours as well. So you simply get your date right here, and then you also get if it's promoted or not. You will get the platform right here, and then of course we have different types of blockchains: Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Cardano, Tezos, Phantom. So we get all of them right here on NFT calendar, and you can simply go ahead and promote your NFTs right here. The next platform is ComingNFT.io. It is another platform that allows you to feature your collection on this platform, and you will be able to find all of the amazing upcoming NFT collections right here. People, simply feature their collection right here. They list their collection, and you can do that too. You simply add your collection, all the information. Then you can actually add your Twitter, your Discord, and your website as well on this platform right here. ComingNFT.io is literally created to promote your NFTs, and you will be able to find all the new collections that are going to be launched soon. So you can also, mint your NFTs. You can mint your collection right here. You can simply add your collection here as well. If I click on upcoming, then you will be able to check out that what are the new upcoming collections, and that is where you add your collection as well. You simply click on submit your project, and then ComingNFT.io allows you to submit your project as well, the project that you have, right? And you can add your price. You will be able to add the supply, that how many you are going to mint on different platforms. You will add your launch date, that when you are going to launch your NFT collection. You can see right here, this one is like really cool. So people are actually promoting their NFT collections on ComingNFT.io, and you can do that as well. It's a pretty good platform and has the audience, and if you're looking for a platform to promote your NFTs, then you should definitely check out ComingNFT.io. Next way you can promote your NFT collection is through Discord. You might have heard about Discord. Discord is this amazing platform where you can actually promote your NFTs by creating a server and by creating this community. We know that Discord actually plays an important role when it comes to NFT, marketplace, and when it comes to selling your NFTs or promoting them. Every collection has its own Discord, and it's really important for you as well that when you will be creating your collection, make sure that you create a Discord server right here. You create your own channel on discord.com to promote your NFTs, and what happens is you can actually link your Discord to your collection on OpenSeas or on Rarible, wherever you have minted your NFTs. And on Discord you actually get a lot of traffic, and you get a lot of you can actually promote your NFTs better, because what happens is right here on Discord there is audience, right? People in these servers, or the people who will join your server or channel, they are looking for NFTs, right? And they are actually looking for different NFTs, and they are into NFTs. It will really help you to promote your NFTs and to get the traffic you want to. Each group and each server has thousands of members in it, and they chat every day. You can actually do your launches, you can do your giveaways, and you can do a lot. You can create different contests as well in order to promote your NFT collection, and Discord will really help you to do so. So when it comes to creating your own collection and promoting them, go ahead and definitely check out discord.com and create your own server and develop your own community to promote your NFTs and to bring the traffic. The next way you can promote your NFT is through your own website. That is actually really effective way to do so, and all of the collections, very famous collections or any collection, should have a website. So it's really important that you create your own website, and when you have a website, then of course it's your website, it's the website for the collection. You will be able to promote your NFTs better with a website. You can also run ads, and on your website you can add all the other information as well, for example your social media and your Discord as well. So this is actually a pretty good way to promote your NFTs. And when you are going to be creating a collection, make sure to create a website. Creating a website is really easy, and it really helps you to bring the traffic that you want. And a website will be like a landing page, and you will be able to promote your NFT collection better. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to show you some of the ways you can promote your NFT collections. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.